Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S4 versus the BMW 335i. We'll dive into their key differences, helping you decide which performance sedan best suits your driving style. Both vehicles are renowned for their engaging dynamics and impressive power output. We'll explore their engine configurations, handling characteristics, and overall driving experience to give you a comprehensive overview. Let's get started with a look at their core performance figures. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi S4, with its standard quattro all-wheel drive, provides exceptional grip and stability, especially in adverse conditions. The BMW 335i, on the other hand, often emphasizes a more traditional rear-wheel drive feel, appealing to those who prefer a lively and engaging driving experience. Suspension, tuning, and steering feel are distinct, with the S4 often feeling more planted, while the 335i can offer a more agile and communicative ride. Your preference for all-weather capability versus pure driving engagement will be key here. Moving inside, both the Audi S4 and BMW 335i offer premium cabins, but with different philosophies. Audi's interiors are often praised for their meticulous build quality, sophisticated design, and advanced technology integration, featuring crisp displays and tactile controls. BMW focuses on a driver-centric cockpit, with controls ergonomically placed for easy access and a strong emphasis on driving pleasure. Both vehicles provide comfortable seating, ample features, and a luxurious feel, making either a great choice for daily driving or longer journeys. It truly comes down to your aesthetic preference. Considering practicality and value, both cars present compelling arguments. Fuel efficiency can vary based on driving habits and specific engine configurations, but the 335i might sometimes offer a slight edge. Long-term ownership costs, including maintenance and potential repairs, are also crucial factors to research. Both brands have strong dealer networks, but parts and labor can be premium. Ultimately, your decision will hinge on a balance of performance, luxury, and your budget. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.